Grifform solid surface lavatory tops can be selected with varying different faucet hole cutout options. This is the area in which your faucet spout and handles would mount onto your top. It is not uncommon for many people to select custom faucet hole cutout, which would leave them with a no hole cutout and allow those to be installed in the field according to your specific fixture. Grifform offers multiple different standard cutout options to accommodate potential faucet fixtures.